take apart this jump because, as you can see, it's very wobbly. And then we're gonna have to just throw this out there because this thing is junk. We'll cover the holes back in, and then we're gonna get back and get tools, and we're gonna fix the jump over there. And I'll show you guys that in a little bit. But as you can see, I'm building this jump right here. But so right now, we took a quick tune up this trail a little bit. It was a trail my brother made. I'm gonna tune up this trail right here, and then I'm gonna fix this jump up and make that landing a little better. Then we're gonna test it out. The landing right here, I fixed that trail up. The jump right here, it's about 6, 5.5, I don't know. Yep, and then it goes down to this trail. And then right here, I'm gonna tune this up because it's really leafy. And I almost wiped out one of the times. So we're gonna fix this up and yeah. It and fixed it up. It rained a couple days ago, so it's gonna be kind of wet, but it looks a little different. It's kind of wet. I'll show you what it looks like right now. Take off and be right. Bam. It looks kind of messed up because I did a couple things on it last time I was here. Pet on a little bit, but it should be fine. And then it's like the landing's right there, and it's probably 5.5 gap, whatever. It's a step down, and right here. Right down here, send off of this, and last time I hit it, almost crashed. So, gotta be a little careful.